Hey there, welcome back to the Festival Kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we are bringing the world to your table with an Asian-style summer salad recipe.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making a summer soba noodle salad. It is refreshing and delicious, and I'm so excited.
Yes, and it features soba noodles, which is something that we don't use all that often, but soba noodles are a traditional Asian-style noodle. And they're made from buckwheat, actually.
Yeah, and you can find them in our natural and organic department. So
yes, I love these noodles because they're really hearty. As you can see, they have a little darker color, and we've already cooked them off ahead of time. This is 8 ounces, and since we cooked them off ahead of time, it's important to try to toss them with some sort of oil to help prevent them from sticking. So that's what we did. So I'm going to add this to our big salad bowl, star of our show today. Right.
All right. And then the next thing we do is mix up the super simple dressing that goes with the salad. So it is rice vinegar, and then we have some canola oil, and a little bit of sesame oil, again, that great Asian flavor.
Yes.
And some sriracha.
A little heat.
Yeah. Can always add more.
Which is what you would do.
Yeah, I would dump a ton on.
I like it spicy.
And just give it a whisk together.
So really, really easy dressing that probably features things you already have on hand at home, which I always love recipes like that, where you don't have to buy any special ingredients.
All right, and here we go.
Toss it right in.
Super simple.
All right, so our remaining ingredients that we're going to add to our summer soba noodle salad, we're adding an entire package of this Man's broccoli coleslaw. So I love using this in stir fries, salads. It's super versatile, and it has a lot of great veggies in here. It's an easy way to add veggies too.
Yeah. And the whole bag goes right in.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, and then our last 2 ingredients, we're going to be adding in some cilantro.
And then some green onions.
Ooh, those green onions smell good.
Yeah. And a little bit of salt and pepper.
So I love that we add in lots of veggies, but the soba noodles are also really, really delicious. I'm going to use my tongs here.
I like the different flavor that the soba noodles give.
And definitely a different texture, too. They're, like I mentioned before, they're really hearty.
And this is such a nice summer salad where you don't want to spend a lot of time in your kitchen heating a lot of things up.
Exactly.
Get really hot. And you can make this ahead of time, too.
Yes, because the longer that dressing kind of sits in here, the longer the flavors come together, marinate the veggies a little bit more.
Yeah. Yum. It looks so good.
It does. All right, so I'm going to serve you up some here.
Bring the bowl to you.
Thank you. Oh, they're coming over
Unruly
the top a little
noodles.
bit. Yep. All right, we'll throw some in here.
It smells so good.
It does. And this is a great side dish, but you could also, add in shrimp would be really good, or even just pair this with a chicken breast, some sort of protein.
Delicious.
It would be really delicious.
Yeah. And we don't want to forget our garnish. So we've got both black and white sesame seeds. You can use either of them, but I think we should go for the black ones. They're fun. You don't see them as often.
Yes, and they really pop in this salad, which we eat with our eyes, so it's important to try to make everything look appetizing.
Yeah. And do you want more sriracha?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. Turn up the heat a little bit.
It's a pretty mild, even, for me. I like just a little bit more of that sriracha on top.
Yeah, so feel free to make this your own. If you like that heat, just add as much sriracha as you want.
Yep, taste and add. Don't add too much right away. I've made that mistake many times before. You can't take it out. All right, let's give this a try. Without making
the noodles
a
are
huge
crazy.
mess. I love that dressing, and it's so easy.
It's just really refreshing. I'm a big fan of vinegar-based dressings, and I put vinegar on almost every salad I eat. So this is a really, really great, more filling salad than your typical just lettuce salad.
Yes. Well, expand your horizons with the summer soba noodle salad.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.